Mine.
What is inside the seas with Nemo and Friends?
Let's go find out.
And get ready to go on this underwater adventure that rocks. As you can see, for starters, the ride, you get in a clamshell, and you can see it's a family-friendly, doesn't move very fast. It's so cute because you get to see or find Nemo. Like, where is he? Where is he? I hear him.
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
There he
Don't
is.
worry. Just keep your eyes open for him.
But I love how they have all these screens that are constantly moving just as you're moving.
Which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Stop fooling around!
And it's hard to tell, but sometimes projections are inside the real fish tank aquarium. That is like really cool. Once you're off the ride, it doesn't stop there. There's so much to go and explore. People may not know is once you enter the Turtle Tarquis Crush room, they've got all kinds of different aquarium displays. Look at that, Mr. Ray's Lagoon. Just all kinds of stuff for you to see while you're waiting for the show to start. So if you're wondering, where are some of these aquariums? Look in here. It's pretty cool. Oh, and look, that looks like Dory. Cool to see jellyfish up close like this. It may be hard to see but in Mr. Ray's Lagoon, but oh, there he is over there.
Everybody say, hey, crush. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, crush.
Okay, crab shell dudes. Check out that most excellent double spinner dudes. Was awesome. Look at all the humans in the human tank. Hey, how you dudes doing in there today? Awesome. Got some big dudes on the benches. Hey, big dudes, give me some fin. What's your name? Theo? Sweet, how are you doing today, dude? Awesome, Theo, dude. Where are you from? Like, where do you live? West Des Moines. Sweet. So, dude, who brought you here today? Mom and Dad? Sweet! Where's Mom and Papa?
Love how this is such a cool, fun photo opportunity and gives the kids an area just to let off some steam, some energy amongst all their favorite characters from Finding Nemo. Look, even Sandy's having a blast in here. I mean, all kinds of interactive exhibits in here. Check out this hammerhead shark, dude. Just have these little interactive exhibits. As you can see, in here they got all kinds of different tanks with all kinds of different fish. Oh, look at this group right here. They look familiar. look at the seahorses. This is just so cool to see all this stuff in here. It's so cool that they even have a dolphin in here. And what's cooler, see these screens right here? Well, that was your ride vehicles came in when you were watching Nemo and stuff, but yet you could still see inside the tank. So that's really cool. In here, don't forget to pick up your Fantastic Scavenger Hunt guide. I got mine right here. And of course they have the gift shop. And look, check it out. Squirt. And of course they have a lot of Nemo in here. Oh, they love Sandy. So do I.
Enhance your living seas adventure. You could check into the Coral Reef restaurant.
Yeah, let's go inside and check it out.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Just to give you an idea on what it looks like in here, and look at the aquarium shots that you get to eat by. Look at all the fish. Oh, I see a giant turtle in there like Crush. Dude, that's so cool. See them in there?
This view, isn't it beautiful?
It's amazing in here.
Look at the size of that lobster. Wow. This is so creamy.
And this is the lobster bisque. And it's in a great, good sized bowl.
Yeah. It's sharing size. Wow, this is so...
And I'm sure the friends in the tank don't mind. And look, our prime rib has arrived with mashed potatoes, but look at the size of the cut on that. Got the prime rib, got the mashed potatoes. Yum. Mmm. That just melts in your mouth. I mean, I love watching how all the fish just keep swimming by. And the tank, just to give you an idea, it is a good size. Yeah, that's what she told us, that it was like the second largest aquarium in the world, Atlanta being the first. Wasn't that fun being underwater?
It sure was. That is a great area. And I've never been on the Talk with Crush. That was fun.
Dude, that was totally cool.
And you rock, dude.
So, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What are you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next, be sure to make each and every day, including those that may be underwater, an adventure that rocks.
Are you ready to plan a world vacation around Epcot?
Or anywhere around Walt Disney World? Just send us a message to us here at Show You the World Travel.